Hello everyone. This video should help you more effectively use the documents that I shared out through 5 Rings on how I approach people and how I talk to people about annuities. So the first document, I just want to educate people about the different types of annuities. And just for simplicity's sake, I always say there are really two extremes. There is cash accumulation, or there are lifetime income annuities. Now, the examples of these two, the lifetime income annuity, one that we have is Safe Income Plus through F&G, and on cash accumulation, we have Accumulator and other products similar to that through F&G and some of our other carriers. But I think people get a much better idea when I just talk about similar to an investment, similar to a pension, walkaway money, or retirement money, retirement income money. So first I set that stage for them. Then I talk about, well, what features would they like in their retirement plan? And I have them score these. And what has happened sometimes, some people say, well, I think I want like the cash accumulation. So they look at this one, and then they start filling um, these boxes out, and they say, I think I'd like that lifetime income one. So this gets the conversation started with different options, and then the concerns they have. I have people write those down because, and obviously with these words up here, this lends them to thinking about some concerns, but I have them write them down. That way it's more in their mind. It's more top of mind. And then we also have things that we can talk about. Hey, remember you wrote down this, like, at the annual reviews. Remember you talked about this. Well, look, your plan is doing exactly what you wanted it to do regarding the concerns you had 2 years ago or whatever it might be. So that's how I use this document. Next document I'm going to talk about is the stair-step retirement. Stair-step retirement has been very good for me and Kim when we talk to people. And reason stair-step retirement came up is the gentleman I was working with, he had about $300,000. He didn't need the money immediately, but he wanted a little bit of money. He was getting Social Security, his house was paid off, all of those things. He wanted $1,400 a month. So we did with him, we set up an immediate annuity. So he was getting Social Security, he was getting the $1,400 a month, and then we could write down his total income. Then we took the rest of his money and set it up in 2 Safe Income Plus plans. And the reason I use Safe Income Plus is because it had a nice bonus and a roll-up rate, which a lot of times I'll tell people the roll-up rate is sort of like interest. That's where how it's going to grow. So right now, in the end of 2021, the rates on both of those are 6% for the bonus and 6% for the roll-up rate. Used to be better. But anyway, there's where a rule of 72 comes in, right? So we can easily talk to people about that. So we set these 2 annuities up. And if you think about it, this one, he'd still be getting his Social Security from 70 years on. We turn on the income from this annuity, it would be about $1,800. So that $1,800 takes place of that $1,400 he was getting for that immediate annuity. Then we could do the math on his total income. Then finally, if you let the other one go for 5 more years, then you can see that he'll have 3 streams of income, guaranteed income for his total income. Now, his plans changed a little bit. His wife passed away here in 2021. So his kids said, Dad, get your money, start getting as much money as you can, and start enjoying your life. So he's already gone to Alaska, going to Hawaii in February, I think, going to Alaska again next summer. So he's spending their inheritance, and the kids are happy with that. But anyway, he went ahead and he turned both of these on. So he's getting roughly maybe about $3,000 a month from these 2 plans. And still for 1 more year, he's going to be getting the $1,400 a month over here. So even though plans change, it's because we diversified him. He was able to go ahead and make changes in how he's going to take his income. So I hope these things can help you out. as you think about strategies on how you can get people looking not only short term but also the long term uh, prospects for their rollover money. If you have any questions, just shoot me a message. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you, and let's go 5 rings.